In today's video, let's talk about how to find remote jobs in AngelList. AngelList started, now known as WellFound, is a platform where you can search for jobs, especially inside of startups. So in order for you to search for remote jobs in this platform, you just need to head over to the job section, add in your job title, and then this is the section of adding in the location. But instead of adding in the location, since you're searching for remote jobs only, click on this drop down menu and then click on the only remote jobs option. This way only those companies shows up which are providing remote jobs only for, of course, the title that you selected. So using this exact method, you'll be able to find the remote jobs on the exact position that you're looking for. You also do have further filters that you can apply. If you head over to the filters option, you can add in the salary amount, your skills, the market, as well as if you're trying to get equity on some of the startups, you can also add that in and then click on view results. Now, after you made the search, you can just head over to each of these results and take a look at if some of these jobs match. What you can also do is make sure you toggle this option on, which says get job alerts on this search. On the exact search that you made on the remote side, you're going to get job alerts on this platform as well as on your email that is connected. So this is the exact way that you find remote jobs inside of AngelList or WellFound. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.